Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can set up email in System.io. This is useful for sending newsletters, campaign, automated sequences to your audience effectively. So anyway, once you've logged into your account, you will just have to go to your settings, which is under your profile icon. And once you're here, go to your emails. And what you will have to do is configure sender details. So enter from name and from email address and verify the email if required. And anyway, after that, you will create your email list by going to your contacts and creating new lists and adding subscribers manually or via form integration. And of course, you can send test email by composing a test email and sending to yourself and check the formatting, the links, the deliverability, and of course you do have to save settings after all that. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.